Hello and welcome to Earth and Space Science Laboratory for the C7 session here in late summer of 2017 here at FSEJ. My name is Professor Jim Caffey, and I am based out of Springfield, Missouri, believe it or not. And this semester, this term for 7 weeks, 7 very quick weeks, I think you'll find, we're going to talk about Earth and space science and some of the things that go along with that. First 5 weeks, we're going to concentrate on geology, and I'll invite you to the image here on the left of me. This is from a couple years ago with me in Sedona, Arizona at the Red Rocks Formations. It's just a beautiful place out there, and I'll be going back out there in October of 2017 to see the Grand Canyon. Take a VIP tour of that. That's going to be really a lot of fun. So let's talk about what we'll do in the first 5 weeks. We're going to do minerals. We're going to do rocks. We're going to do Earth's surface, how it evolves, and plate tectonics, how all the different plates around the Earth move around and shift the continents around, and then take a big wide look at geological time throughout history. And then we'll go into a kind of a blanket week of oceans and the atmosphere and how we all interact with all of that. And then going into week 7, then we go into a very short 5-day week into astronomy. And most of my training's been in astronomy, geology, and meteorology. So this is a picture of Comet Hyakutake, taken by me with a 35mm camera from the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Tucson, Arizona, just south of there in the dark skies of Arizona. It's so close to Mexico, you hear Mexico radio stations instead of Tucson radio stations, but it's very dark there. And this comet took the closest approach of a comet in over 300 years. And I captured this image with a typical 35mm camera with a long exposure. Now, some really cool things coming up that you'll want to keep an eye on just right after the class ends, August 18th. A few days later, we have a total solar eclipse, the Great American Total Solar Eclipse going on. It's going to go from all the way from Oregon down to South Carolina. If you're in Jax, you'll probably want to drive about 200 miles north to the where the totality is, because I think down there in Jax you're going to get about 96% coverage of the sun and the moon, where the moon passes between the Earth and the sun. But that's not the real show. It'd be pretty cool, and you'll need some special glasses for that. But if you want to see the totality, like the moon and the sun will look right here in this image, you'll want to drive up to the eclipse path, which you can find on NASA's website, nasa.gov. If you want to get more information or be subscribed to various science areas, I have numerous Facebook pages and a Twitter page that you're not required to like at all. I'm just going to put them out there so you can see them. You can search Facebook for Professor Caffey. That's my professional Facebook professor page, where I have a group of about 8 to 9 professional volunteer scientists who are enthusiastic about space and NASA and SpaceX and weather and climate. And we post on there things that also get sent to my Twitter page at Professor Caffey. That's also professional. Again, all of this is just optional. I'm just listening to that for you. And then I have some groups you can search for: the astronomers for astronomy stuff, the Science Cafe for overall just general science stuff. And then I also have Caffey Weather Central, where I focus mostly on where I am. I'm based in Springfield, Missouri, in the heart of the Ozarks, near Branson, Missouri, if you ever heard of that tourist town, about 40 miles north of there, where I post weather forecasts. In fact, I'm getting ready to post a weather forecast for the July 4th holiday on there. And you can like that if you like. I also post things about hurricanes, tsunamis, and earthquakes on that page, and anything that might be of general interest in the meteorological category. So those are all just optional areas. I will tell you, please don't send me a personal friend request during the class, because I will not accept that for professional reasons. So, With that said, welcome to Earth and Space Science Lab. I'm so excited to get ready for this. This will actually be my first run through with this particular lab in this format with FSCJ. In the 3 years I've been here, I've been teaching online since 2001, and I've been teaching science, mostly astronomy, since 1992. So, welcome. Glad you're here. We're going to have a lot of fun this semester. Don't fall behind. You need to stay up with everything. I think if you do that, it's just one credit. It'll be great to go, and we're going to have a great semester together. So welcome, and we'll see you in the classroom July 3rd.